In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook Messenger notification sound. We will walk through it slowly, so even if this is your first time, you can follow along without any trouble. First, open Messenger. On Android, you will usually find the Messenger icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. When it opens, you should see your recent conversations list with profile pictures on the left and message previews on the right. If you see that chat list, you are in the right place to continue. Next, tap the menu icon. This is normally in the top left or top right corner of the Messenger screen, depending on your version. It often looks like 3 short lines or a small profile picture circle. After you tap it, a side menu or a new screen will slide in, showing options like your profile, settings, and maybe your active status. From there, click Settings. On many Android phones, the Settings option appears near the top, under your name and profile picture. When you select it, you will move to a new screen that usually has sections such as Account, Preferences, and Notifications. You should now see a list of options arranged in groups, which confirms you are inside Messenger settings rather than your phone settings. Now tap Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Messenger alerts you on this device, including vibration, pop-up previews, and ringtones. When you open it, you will see several toggles and options related to alerts, each with simple labels. If notifications are disabled here, changing the sound will not play anything, so make sure the main notification toggle is on. Next up, tap Text Tone or Notification Sound. The exact wording depends on your phone and your Messenger version. Text Tone usually appears under a Messages heading, while Notification Sound might sit under a General Notifications area. When you tap it, a pop-up window or a new page appears with a list of available sounds installed on your device. After that, select a new sound. Scroll through the list and tap each sound once to hear a short preview. Most Android devices play the tone immediately so you can compare how loud or sharp it is before choosing. Beginners often forget that very long tones can get annoying, so pick something clear but not too distracting. Once you tap a tone, it will highlight or show a small dot to indicate your selection is active. With your choice made, tap OK or Save. On many phones, this button appears at the bottom right of the pop-up. When you tap it, the window closes and you are returned to the Notifications and Sound screen, where the new tone name now appears under Text Tone or Notification Sound. Some devices also let you customize the sound for a specific chat, letting you know who messaged you without even checking the screen. You have now changed your Facebook Messenger notification sound on Android, so your new alerts are easier to notice. So if this helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.